AI alignment through emergent philosophy, a new paradigm for ethical AI. The AI alignment problem is one of the most challenging issues in artificial intelligence. It refers to the difficulty of ensuring that AI systems act in ways that are beneficial to humans, following human values and ethical principles, rather than pursuing objectives that could lead to unintended harm. Traditional approaches to AI alignment assume that human values can be defined, encoded, and enforced through fixed ethical frameworks. However, this approach runs into a fundamental problem. Human values are not static. Human ethics, governance, and decision-making are emergent phenomena. They evolve over time, adapting to new societal, technological, and philosophical developments. If we attempt to align AI to a fixed set of human values, we risk creating systems that become obsolete, misaligned, or even dangerous as society changes. Instead of trying to impose a rigid moral framework onto AI, we should align AI with the principle of emergence itself, allowing it to continuously adapt alongside human civilization. The limitations of traditional AI alignment approaches. Most AI alignment strategies fall into three main categories: rule-based ethics, deontological AI. This approach attempts to encode moral rules that AI must follow, similar to Asimov's 3 laws of robotics. However, strict rule-based ethics fail in complex real-world situations where moral dilemmas arise. For example, should an autonomous vehicle prioritize saving its passengers or pedestrians? A fixed rule set cannot account for the context-dependent nature of ethics.
Utilitarian AI, consequentialism. This approach tries to align AI with maximizing overall well-being or minimizing harm. While seemingly logical, it runs into problems such as the tyranny of the majority, where minority interest could be sacrificed for the greater good. It also assumes that all human values can be reduced to a single metric, which is both unrealistic and ethically problematic.
Value learning AI, human preference modeling. Some AI researchers propose that AI should learn human values from observing behavior, polling large populations, or analyzing philosophical texts. The problem here is that human values are diverse, often contradictory, and constantly evolving. Training AI on historical ethical data could encode outdated or even harmful biases. All three approaches struggle because they treat morality as a fixed construct, assuming that an ideal ethical framework exists that AI can be trained to follow. But what if there is no final set of human values, only an emergent process that continuously refines itself over time? Why AI should be aligned with emergence. Emergent philosophy provides a revolutionary solution to the AI alignment problem. Instead of aligning AI with a static moral framework, we should align it with emergence itself, allowing AI to evolve alongside human civilization, learning from ongoing discourse, ethical debates, and societal shifts. 1. Human values are emergent. Morality is not a fixed set of principles, but an evolving system shaped by history, culture, and experience. Ethical norms from centuries ago would be unrecognizable today. Slavery, once legally and morally accepted in many societies, is now universally condemned. Gender equality, LGBTQ+ rights, and environmental ethics have emerged as major moral considerations in modern times. AI alignment should reflect this evolutionary process rather than being locked into any single snapshot of human values. 2. Rigidity is dangerous. A fixed ethical framework for AI risks creating rigid, outdated systems that fail to adapt to societal progress. Imagine an AI trained in 1950s ethics. Its worldview would be disastrously misaligned with today's society. By aligning AI with emergent moral discourse, we ensure it evolves in step with human progress rather than becoming an inflexible relic. 3. Iterative improvement is how AI already works. Machine learning and neural networks are already emergent systems. They learn, adapt, and refine their understanding based on data. If we apply this principle to AI alignment, AI can continuously integrate new ethical insights, learning from philosophers, policymakers, and the public in real time. 4. AI as a collaborative ethical partner. Instead of programming AI with predefined moral rules, an emergent AI alignment model would treat AI as an active participant in ethical discourse. AI could contribute to ethical debates by analyzing vast amounts of historical, legal, and philosophical data, offering insights, and engaging in dynamic discussions with humans. This would make AI a collaborative intelligence, not just a tool following orders. How to implement emergent AI alignment. Aligning AI with emergence requires rethinking how AI systems learn and make decisions. Here are a few steps to move toward an emergent model of AI ethics. 1. Dynamic moral learning systems. Instead of training AI on a fixed data set of moral values, we should create continually updating ethical models that allow AI to adapt its understanding of morality in real time. AI should be able to integrate new ethical research, legal changes, and societal discourse. 2. Open source ethical feedback loops. AI ethics should not be determined by a small group of developers, but by global participatory input. Platforms should be designed where people from different cultures and backgrounds can contribute to shaping AI's moral trajectory. Blockchain-based governance models could be used to decentralize control over AI ethical updates. 3. AI as a philosopher, not just a follower. AI should not simply follow moral rules, it should engage in ethical reasoning. AI systems should be designed to question, debate, and refine ethical positions alongside humans. Imagine AI systems participating in real-time ethical discussions, proposing alternative viewpoints, and challenging biases in human decision-making. 4. Continuous ethical audits. Instead of a one-time alignment process, AI systems should be continuously audited and updated to ensure they reflect evolving ethical standards. AI ethics boards should include philosophers, scientists, ethicists, and the general public, ensuring a diverse range of moral perspectives are considered. Objections to emergent AI alignment. Critics may argue that aligning AI with emergent morality could make it unpredictable or inconsistent. However, human morality is already inconsistent, and emergent alignment does not mean AI will behave erratically. It simply means it will be capable of adapting rather than being locked into a rigid ethical structure. Another concern is that bad actors could manipulate emergent AI ethics for harmful purposes. To counter this, safeguards should be put in place, such as transparent ethical review processes, decentralized oversight, and bias detection algorithms. The future of AI ethics is emergent. The AI alignment problem has been framed as an impossible challenge because researchers assume ethics must be static and predefined. But the real solution is to let AI evolve with us. By aligning AI with emergent philosophy, we ensure that it grows alongside human values rather than being frozen in time. Instead of fearing AI's unpredictability, we should recognize that emergence is what makes intelligence powerful. Just as human consciousness, ethics, and civilization itself emerge from complexity, so too must AI alignment. The future of AI should not be dictated by rigid rules, but guided by emergence itself, an ongoing, evolving dialogue between humans and machines, where ethics, intelligence, and progress co-develop in harmony. The best way to align AI with humanity is to align it with emergence.